Welcome to this demonstration of our billing connector. The billing connector lets you create invoices, either monthly invoices or just responding to a billable event with workflow in Microsoft CRM without the need for any external software. So let's take a look here. We have CRM and we have some software. Let's look first at some monthly billing for this company. We give you a table called billing table, and in that table you can set up for yourself monthly, weekly, yearly billing records. So if we look at the billing table for this particular company, we can see that there's a billing record here that's going to charge this customer £55 a month. So if we look at the start date here, 1st of March, and we see that £55 is going to be charged every month to this customer. One quick way of doing of actually charging that for a month is simply just to set this checkbox here to create the next bill, and as we save it, you can see it's just changed it to the 4th month, and if we do it again, that's going to save it and change it to May. So we've just created for this company two what we're calling transaction records here, which are going to be put onto a bill when we run the billing program. So if we see here are the two transactions we just created automatically from the billing table, and that's got some simple information like a description here and the £55 a month that it's going to bill. Just to show you how to do the same sort of thing in workflow, I've created a little workflow here. If I just run the workflow, it's going to create a 3rd transaction record for that company, and if we go and look again at the transactions now, we'll see it's also going to bill this sub here for £355, and that's a very simple workflow that you can just set up yourselves very easily. Let's see what that looks like. So the 3 transactions have come through here in our software, and if we run the upload here, the idea is throughout the month you're going to be collecting up all these transactions, and then at the end of the month it's going to create an invoice for you for those transactions. So if we look here, that invoice has been created. There's your invoice. If we just open that up, there should be 2 transactions there for 55 quid and one for 35 quid. So there's that invoice created. Now we have some options for tax and so on, creating multiple invoices. But the idea is from the billing table, you can do your regular monthly billing. It will create the invoices in CRM for you very easily. And from workflow, you can also, from any entity that you have, just add to those transaction records throughout the month, and create the invoices. So just quickly, I can just show you. We can just highlight these. I can edit them, set this flag, and it's going to bill all of those transactions automatically. I'll just give it a second, and those are all created automatically. If I show you now, here are the transactions. I can just upload all those transactions, and the idea behind the software, you don't have to use the software, but you can export to spreadsheets. So the idea from a billing manager's point of view is that you can easily output spreadsheets from here. We've also got the billing table in here, so that if you've got hundreds and thousands, I'll just show you the billing table there. If you've got hundreds or thousands of records there, you can export them to spreadsheets before you do your monthly billing, just to help manage and keep control of those things. So if we look here at the invoices, we see that all those have created monthly bills in here for all those items that have happened. We also sell a connector that will push through these invoices into Xero or into Sage 50 accounting. But the idea is we have some tricks for you if you want to fulfill those invoices and get them emailed out. But also you can buy connectors. For example, Microsoft has a connector for Nav and so on. Once you've created the invoices in CRM, you should be able to do a lot with them, or simply fulfill them out using your CRM functionality. More information at redware.com. This is our billing connector. It's pay as you go, starting at £65 a month. It works all around the world with any currency you want. Talk to us about tax add-ons, but please have a look at redware.com and get in touch with us and let us know what you think. Thank you for listening.